Hidden within the emerald heart of Sri Lanka lies a treasure untouched by time, Basnayaka Cave, where history and nature converge in a harmony shaped over millennia. Named after the legendary Chinese monk Phi Hien, who is believed to have found shelter here, Basnayaka is more than just a cave, it is an ancient cradle of human existence. Thousands of years ago, prehistoric inhabitants carved their lives into these silent walls, leaving behind echoes of their stories. Excavations have revealed that this cave was home to some of the earliest known settlers in Sri Lanka. Tools, pottery shards, and human remains tell a tale of resilience and adaptation, unveiling the mysteries of those who walked these grounds long before recorded history. But beyond its historical significance, Basnayaka is a testament to the enduring bond between man and nature. Draped in a canopy of green and serenaded by the sounds of wildlife, the cave stands as a guardian of biodiversity. Rare species of plants and animals thrive here, reminding us of the intricate balance that sustains life. For visitors, Basnayaka offers more than just a glimpse into the past, it invites a journey into the soul of nature itself. As we strive to preserve our heritage and protect our natural world, Basnayaka stands as a powerful reminder that history and nature are forever intertwined. Here, within these stone walls and beneath this verdant sky, the past and present coexist, telling a story that is uniquely, timelessly Sri Lankan.